Rob Tell on the track. Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Tell of 504. For anybody that gotta know, Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his eyes closed. Control arms, reinforced frames, still killing the game. You see the gun smoke from Impalas with the X-frame, doing tricks like it came from the
What's up and good afternoon, guys? How are you? Alex here from Hoppos with another video for you guys. And today's been a crazy one. We've been setting up and filming and doing a whole bunch of B-roll shots today. Look at the background. We got a mess in the shop. The guys are out here filming. We're very excited to be filming with a very big company. We got some upcoming footage that we can't show everything, but I'm gonna take you guys along the backside of it, show you guys what's going on. Even though we only have like 9 days left on this thing to finish, we're sitting here, we're doing interviews, or showing it off, and of course telling the whole story on Hoppos. We've been filming pretty much all day. We've been doing our normal work, but they've been coming in and doing a whole bunch of B-roll stuff, just like fill-in footage, right? Tomorrow's gonna be the big day where we're gonna be taking out the Acme truck and we're gonna be hitting a stretch of highway, and everything's all permitted through the city, and we got drones out, we got gimbals, we got tons of stuff that we're gonna be doing to get some good shots of the Acme truck, and hopefully some shots of my dad out there. I'm not sure if he's gonna be taking the bike out there or not, but let's see how that goes. But today's just been nuts. I want to kind of fill you guys in. I want to fill you guys in with some updates on the 62, which there is a lot of updates because we've actually been filming on that and working on that today. So there's gonna be a lot of video coming on that, guys. So it's been a long day, but we are just finishing up with filming today. We're getting the little red truck, the little Acme truck, all dialed in, making sure we're up on charge for tomorrow's long drive. We got 8 hours of filming tomorrow out here. It is like, we got drone operators coming in. It is all permitted. It is a big headache that luckily it's already all done and dealt with. The guys are freaking awesome. We've actually worked with these producers before, and these guys are freaking amazing. We've actually worked with them on 2 other shows, if I'm not mistaken. One was Wheeler Dealer with Mike Brewer, and another one was Celebrity IOU with Danny Trejo and Ant Anstead. And yeah, it's been fun. These guys are freaking amazing to work with. It's always fun to work with people who are just super awesome, super just down-to-earth people. So today's filming went smooth, went really well. We were just prepping. The guys are loading the stuff up in their cars right now, and we have a long day ahead of us tomorrow filming. So show you guys some more. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys a little sneak peek. I'll be filming this. I'm actually filming this on another video separately other than this, but look at this combo. Shoo, look at that, look at that. Let me just step back here. We were able to get in the top pumps on this one. We got the top base stand in. That is looking freaking amazing. This is actually our first time seeing the complete setup and pumps all painted up, dropped inside this car. We've seen just the pumps in the frame, we've seen just the car itself, but we've never made it all of them together, and it looks absolutely beautiful. This is just literally step 1, so I'm very excited to see how this is going to come out. And then we got the bike right next to it, looking amazing. All right, guys, we are here, day 2 of filming. The sun just came over the mountains right now. I am absolutely beat, but day 2. Let's go. Let's get it. I got me a nice little Celsius right now to get me going. Let's get over it. Woo, we're dipping. We're on the way to the shoot right now. Let's go. Boys getting all set up.
We're gonna have some fun today with our mate Alex from Hoppos, and I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you so much. Much
All in
appreciated.
there, mate. Everything you need will be in.
Much appreciated.
All right, guys, so the boys are getting all set up here. They're getting all the cameras mounted up. We're about to do shoot day 2. These guys are killing it. They're making this thing look good, I'm telling you. This rigging is absolutely insane. Look at this rigging.
You had good shots, bro.
Talk about being nervous on camera. These things are pointed up my nostrils.
And Jay, I've got more kick coming.
In the spotlight. Little weird.
You've got all the rods you could ask for.
It has been a hot one. having to drive with the windows mostly up, have them cracked right to the window visor. But it is hot. I wish I would have got the AC model. It's roughly 82 degrees right now. I have all the windows up because they're blacked out for the shooting right now. And we actually just had my dad show up, so we're actually doing some other shots with him and the truck, and they're gonna look pretty sick. I'm pretty excited for this. They're actually throwing up their drones right now. We already did all the vehicle shots. Actually, I'll show you real quick. They actually got all the shots up here already with the rig in the back of the Infiniti, and then I got my dad right here. Time to get some microphones on the exhaust so we get some exhaust sounds with the video. All right, so the guys are heading out to the shooting spot right now. They're gonna get all set up. We're gonna wait here roughly about 5 minutes or so, and then we're gonna be making our way and doing a flyby next to all the camera setups. We've already knocked out all the drone shots.
Just stick to the usual speed limit, mate, about 35-40. And you're going to keep driving until Jerry's got enough shots of you on this part of the road, and then we'll come, pull in somewhere safe, and then turn around and come back, and we'll get 2 shots in that location for the price of 1.
10-4 copy.
Cheers, mate.
Alright, so we're going to knock out 2 shots with one. They're going to have 3 cameras set up. They're going to have 1 on each side of the road, and I believe they're going to toss the drone back up as well. It's getting a little hard right now because we're going to be on the main road right now, so it's going to be a little tough. But I think it's like 3:34, so it's going to be we're going to start getting the coming home traffic. So this will be fun. But in other good news, we are pretty much almost done and wrapped up for day 2 of shooting. Man, I just realized, look how good that Rigid rock light looks up there for a dome light. Shout out to Rigid, really good product. But this has been a fun day, really fun day. It's been hot, it's been tiring. We've been posted up here at this gas station, which the guys had to pay for us to park in these spots because the guys didn't want us to be here. I mean, he was willing to take X amount of money for us to sit here to shoot for about almost 8 hours today. I don't know if I really ever showed you guys on YouTube the custom Speedo that Current made for me. It's running right now currently on 18 GPS satellites, and man, this thing's been killing it. It looks so cool. Got the wire wheel in the background with the Hoppos logo, and all the numbers and everything shake. So it's pretty cool as you know, as you go up in speed, each one kind of glitches out. All right, flyby shot number 1 done. Like I said, drone footage is done, back of the truck footage is all done, stills are all done, all the driving is all done, all the interviews are done. We're just on flybys now, and it's been fun. I mean, it's a lot of work. I mean, I can only imagine like filming a whole movie. Like, hats off to those guys who are filming it, and tons of patience. Seriously, tons of patience. For right now, I found myself a nice tree to park in the shade. Well, as much in the shade as possible. My eyes in the shade or in the sun, but it's been a hot one today. Like 82, I think was our highest that we saw on our phones. I don't have AC in here. I have like just this circulative outside air, and I don't know what's better, like inside circulation or outside pulling in, because both of them are still hot. Here's our location where we're doing flyby number 1 on there. The guys are setting up about a mile down that way, and it's gonna be a flyby number 2. So we're getting about 5 or 6 different locations with 2 to 3 different angles. That way we can knock out tons of different shots and different angles. But what a beautiful freaking California winter. 82 degrees. I'm in a tank top. I should have worn some shorts. I put some pants on because it was like 48 this morning when I left, and I know a lot of you guys from Alright, so the guys are setting up. They are on camera number 2 right now, and they're gonna get the 3rd camera up in the air. So this is interesting, man. It really is such a fun thing. We've shot with these guys before, and Ed's been cool. I mean, the whole crew's been super fun. It's a different experience, you know. If you haven't ever experienced shooting a video or a music video or some type of short, you know, it's a different breed. I mean, it's a lot of time. Like for me, I mean, I'm not setting anything up. I'm not doing no camera work. I'm just driving. So for me, it's a lot of downtime. I'm sitting here a lot, and we're in like remote locations. I mean, right here. We're out kind of out in the mountains / desert area. We have a lake over here, so there's a lot of sun, open. You know, I'm next to a housing track right here, so I was able to find a little tree to kind of just perch myself under for a while. But hey, look at a squirrel.
Hey, little buddy. What you doing over there? Waiting for me?
You are Jerry.
It was a long day, but it was fun. It was great. Thank you guys. Thank Ed. Thanks for all the guys that helped with that production today. It was amazing. We had a good time. But I'm on my way home. As you can tell, it is dark. It is nighttime. But we have a lot going on tomorrow, and we need to catch up on filming and catch up on the 62. So with that being said, we'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for always liking, sharing, subscribing.
Rob Tell on the track. Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Teller 504. For anybody that gotta know, Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his eyes closed. Control arms, reinforced frame, still killing the game. You see the gun smoke from Impalas with the X-frame, doing tricks like it came from the X game.